Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was thinking to myself, it's been a while since I did like a full blown through like wig customization and installment video. Like I always chop it up somehow, and I do like the unboxing, the bleaching, the plucking, the baby hairs, me prepping it for drying, like all of that stuff. So I figured I was gonna do it today. So we're gonna do two separate videos, and it's going to be from this company here, Afsister. They did decide to send me a wig, and I was like, okay, this would be a good opportunity to get it cracking. Let's see what wig they sent me. Okay, so this is the box packaging. I have oil on my hand, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, so it comes with this box. It's a slide out, so you just push it through and it slides out from the side. I got a comb, an edge brush, and the wig. Now this is 24 inches, I believe, maybe 26. I'm not sure. I'll have all the information down below, but and I will have the texture down below as well. But this is a frontal with HD lace, and it's already low ball pre-plucked, so I'm probably won't have to go and do a lot. The inside looks bleached too. Hold on. Oh yeah, you see those orange? But I'm gonna go and bleach it a little bit more. I'm gonna try to avoid the actual front of the frontal because the knots are so small that I feel like if I put another round of bleach on the front of this, it's going to cause shedding. So I'm going to go ahead and bleach this, and yeah, let's just bleach it right now. Okay, ignore this. But I actually want to throw some color on, so disregard what I said about this wig in the beginning. We're gonna throw a little bit of color on her, and you don't have to be too neat with this because of the fact that it's curly hair, so you can get a little messy and it's still gonna hit because it's curly hair. So I have my quick blue. I'm gonna use 30 volume developer. I also have a tinting bowl and a tinting brush. Hold on. So I have a tinting bowl and a tinting brush. You are gonna need some gloves. Do not touch bleach with your bare hands. You can get a chemical burn, and it can go under your nails, and that hurt. I had one. Okay, so I'm gonna mix my mixture up, and then we're just gonna start slapping the color on, well, the bleach on, to get the color that we want. It's gonna be like a solid color. If I want highlights, I'll probably go back in and do highlights to make it pop a little more, but I'll probably just do one solid color. So let's get it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section the hair into chunks because I just wanted to hurry up and get this through. And so I'm gonna start off with the front of the hair, like where the money piece will be, and that's like the highlighted frame of your face. And I'm gonna just lather it up with bleach, and I'm gonna like blend it up so I can have a root still, but I still want the color to be high. So that's what you're gonna see me do here, and that's basically what I do through the entire wig. I'm just gonna slather each section with the bleach and then blend it up just so it can look gradient. So this is what the wig looks like after all the bleach was on there. I believe I let it sit for about 45 minutes to let it air lift. So I didn't incubate it. I didn't suffocate it with like foil or anything like that. I let it process on its own. If I did that, it would have been lighter, but I just wanted it a hint of brown. I didn't want nothing too, you know, too out there. So I let it sit for 45 minutes. I did go wash it out and deep condition it with silicone mix. I did not use purple shampoo. You don't have to. This was a perfect color for me. I did not have to tone it. You could tone it if you want to. And this is what she looks like after. I am going to go in with some leave-in conditioner from African Pride. This is one of my favorites. I actually use that on my natural hair as well. And I'm going to just make sure that the hair is saturated with that leave-in conditioner because it is processed at this point now, and you want to make sure that it's hydrated. Okay, now I did not go and bleach the knots again because I just did not want to stress out the hair from me bleaching the ends and the mid shafts and then re-bleaching the knots. I felt like the knots was okay, so we did not have to go back and do that. And so yeah, I also did not pluck this wig. This wig was already pre-plucked, and I was very surprised that it was pre-plucked as it is. And basically all I had to do was go in and do some baby hair. So that's what you see me do now. I am using my Cantu Wave and Whip curl whip mousse. I love that for wigs, and I'm gonna use that, and I usually use a lot of it. It just helps me get it neat. And yeah, so after I have the baby hairs all formed, I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray the hairline, and then take rapid strips and wrap the hairline down and set her under the dryer until she is dry. So the wig is like 80% dry, so you can definitely see the color. These are the front bangs right here, this color, so this is gonna be moved, but it's a nice little gradient. Okay, so I'm heating up my press and comb, my hot plate, so I can make the front of the hair look nice and sleek for pictures, because you guys know I like to take my photo pictures. Okay, so now you see it's like, right? So I'm gonna fluff it a little bit. I don't want it too fluffy because it's gonna get frizzy. But my hot plate is warming up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and press out the front so we can have it neat. I think I'm gonna do the install on a different video. So let's finish this one and we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, you guys, so this is what the wig looks like after it is dried. You see these curls, they are popping. Okay, that hairline is hairlining right now. And yeah, so this is what she looks like. I think I'm gonna stop this video right here. Look at that little swivel. I'm gonna stop this video right here. She looks good. Homegirl, you look good. You kind of look like me, but a little skinnier version with them bomb ass lashes you got on your face. You look good. But I'm gonna stop this video right here, and then the next video is gonna be me installing and, you know, getting myself looking cute just like her, because I'm trying to look like her. But yeah, what y'all think? Y'all like her? I love the color. Like, it's subtle. Like, if you are new to color, this is the perfect color or tutorial for you. It's simple, and you don't have to do too much, and it's easy. You can do this on straight hair too. But if you do it on straight hair, I would say give the hair a little tease. You feel me? But yes, she looks good. So yeah, let's get on to the next video.